The advent of Cyber 2023 is here. So it's a free event by TryHackMe that will start on December 1st of 2023. So let's take a look at it. There's over 50,000 worth of prizes. It's completely free. You will earn a certificate after completing all the rooms in this event. It's also featuring some of the most amazing content creators in cybersecurity like John Hammond, Gerald Auger, Insider PhD, InfoSeek Pat, and much more. If you don't know that what is Advent of Cyber, here's a quick information for you. Advent of Cyber is your festive gateway into cybersecurity. Each day leading up to the Christmas, the TryHackMe team will be releasing a super fun, beginner-friendly exercise designed to ease you into the realm of cybersecurity. For 24 days, they will be breaking down common cybersecurity topics into bite-sized walkthroughs and challenges, following an engaging storytelling where you will need to help us save the Christmas. So each task is accompanied by supportive resources and a guided video tutorial, ensuring that you are never left out in the cold. And also, as mentioned before, there will be over 50,000 worth of prizes for you to grab. Just you need to answer the questions and earn points. So here's a quick details of about the event. It will start on Friday, 1st December 2023, and the daily task releases will be at 4 p.m. GMT time zone. So how to enter? You have just need to register an account on TryHackMe. We'll put a link in the description of the video. Just join the room and also wait for the first task to be released on December 1st of 2023. After completing all the labs and the rooms, you will receive a certificate of completion from TryHackMe and also a badge. So now let's take a look at the Advent timeline and also what you will learn in this event. In this event, you will learn about penetration testing, you will learn about security operation and security engineering, you will learn about digital forensics and incident response, you will also learn about machine learning, and you will also learn about the malware analysis. So this is the Advent timeline from the day 1 up to day 24. You can see here the day 1 will be about machine learning for red teamers. The day 2 will be about log analysis, which is a blue team for blue teamers. Day 3 will be about brute forcing. Day 4 will be about brute forcing as well. Day 5 will be about reverse engineering. Day 6 will be about memory corruption. Day 7 will be about log analysis. Day 8 will be about disk forensics. Day 9 will be about malware analysis as well. Day 10 will be about SQL injection. Day 11 will be about Active Directory. Day 12 will be about defense in depth. On day 13, you will learn about intrusion defense. On day 14, you will learn about machine learning. It will be an introduction to it. Day 15 will be about machine learning for blue teamers. Day 16 will be also about the machine learning but for red teamers. Day 17 will be about traffic analysis. Day 18 you will learn about eradication. Day 19 you will learn about memory forensics. Day 20 you will learn about DevSecOps for the purple team or those who are between red team and blue team. Day 21 will be also about DevSecOps but for red teamers. Day 22 you will learn about SSRF or server-side request forgery. Day 23 you will learn about mobile analysis. And on day 24 you will have a wrap-up on what you have learned. So now let's talk about the prices for this year's event. The total prize pool value is about $50,020. You will have a chance to win a Steam Deck, a Razer mouse, an AirPods Pro Generation 2, a gaming chair, an electronic desk, a gaming PC, some vouchers from TryHackMe and CompTIA, and also AWS training for 3 months access. You will have a chance to win a Meta Quest 3. You will have a chance to win a ultra wide curved monitor or gaming monitor, and also headphones. Besides that, you can download a cool and awesome wallpaper for your PC here. There are 2 versions available right now. You can meet the characters for this event here. Just if you are curious about the characters and you have not completed the previous Advent of Cybers, you can check out the information about the characters here, and you can also read the story behind the Advent of Cybers for this year's event, what happened and what are your tasks in order to save the Christmas. And that's it for this video. So make sure to sign up for the Advent of Cyber 2023. Links are provided in the description of the video. It's completely free and you will have a chance to win some cool prices at will. And if you find this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, also share it with your friends and your network. So see you in the next video.